Hey traders, what's going on? Todd here. Welcome to the free video update. We're doing this now Tuesday the 17th. I just sent an alert out to customers to short American Express here into earnings. Kind of a similar setup to last night. If you saw last night's free video, we did Netflix. I broke even on that trade. It's kind of sticky around 200, so just cut it, and I made a couple pennies. So we're going to do something similar in American Express and see if we can get a little bit more reversal. So we just issued the trade alert to do a butterfly. So we're going to sell it against a wave 5 top. We're going to do this as an unbalanced fly, the 92, 89, 87 put fly that expires Friday. So to set up the trade first, take a look at this beautiful wave count in American Express. And you can see as we go out to the weekly first, pretty good resistance up here on the weekly. We were not able to take out the 2014 highs, and we're starting to kind of fail. And when you get like a traditional technical resistance level like that, coupled with a good 5-wave count, as I'm showing here, plus we've got the power wave sell level here. We've got 5-wave move plus the red lines, your power wave sell. Usually a pretty good shot to take a counter trend trade. So as we get down to the daily, let me give you a bit more granularity here. So we're going to look inside of this teal 5. Let me just go back to the weekly. So there's the teal 5 on the weekly. We're going to look at this 5-wave move down in green that makes up that teal 5. So then we'll go down to the daily, and there's the 5-wave move. We have a bunch of fib resistance here that is starting to hold. And what you saw in a lot of the financials post-earnings were these big outside reversals. So massive outside reversal in AXP. And in fact, it's like a double outside reversal because this bar contained the one on the 12th. So the 13th contained the 12th. The 16th contained the 13th. So there's a lot of volatility kicking up here. And before I put this trade on, let's just take a look. So Morgan Stanley, pretty big reversal there. Citi has got a very similar setup. Big outside reversal that actually happened back in the 12th, and we've backed off. So I want to focus in on AXP. And traditionally, your minimum target would be the area of the prior 4th. Okay, so that's all the way down to 83 bucks. That's like, $8 lower than where we are now. So I don't think we're going to get all of that around earnings. So the trade we're going to do, as I mentioned, is we're going to do a 92, 89, 87 put fly. And that trade is going to look like this. Okay, so we're going to sell 2 of the 89s, buy 1 of the 92, buy 1 of the 87. That's going to be a 74-cent debit. And basically, we need the trade to be below 91.65. The ideal profit zone is right around the body of the butterfly, which would be $89. The expected move here on AXP is $2.22. So if you take that away, that's going to be about $89.50. Okay, that's the -1 standard deviation. So that's fine. That's going to be right around here, about halfway to where we think the ultimate target will be. So that's going to work pretty well for us. Okay, so let's execute this trade. So we're doing this perfect. Let me just size up. Let's see, risking 370 to potentially make 1,039 if everything goes to plan. I'll take on a little bit more. So worse is 592 to make 1,600. And if it just melts, you make 208. So that's fine. So let's put this trade to work. And can we get filled? Not yet. Let me go working. Cancel, replace. Let me go up a penny. Go to 75. Give me some love. Gonna make me go up one more. I'll go up one more penny. And they'll fill me here. Watch. Oh. American Express must be busy. All right. We're going to leave that one there. I'm pretty sure I get filled at 76. All right. The other thing going on, guys, is we do have the big webinar coming up Thursday. Okay. And this is going to be the 30-year storm webinar. Okay. So while I'm telling you about this, maybe they'll fill me. So this is the 30-year storm. Are you prepared? How to ride the wave to safety and prosperity. I believe there's going to be a big move coming in the market. Okay. we're in a very peculiar position here in the Elliott wave pattern. And let me just show you where that is. Okay, so this is the weekly chart of the S&P. And as you know, I'm a big fan of Elliott. And I time all my option trades with Elliott. And if you look at the longer term weekly chart of the S&P, check it out, guys. We're going up in 1, correction in 2. 2012 up to 16 was a nice 3, pull back in 4. And guys, we're coming into seriously overbought zone here, according to the Elliott wave structure. And then on top of that, we have all these bubbles up here, which this is your fib, okay, Fibonacci resistance. And I'm drawing with my cursor, so that's why my handwriting looks like my kids. Fib resistance. Plus, look at the timing here, okay? The 1987 crash was October 19th, 1987. It's October 17th, 2017. So we're talking 30 years. On top of that, the birth of the 2007 credit crisis was in October 2007. So we have the 10-year anniversary. So when you couple all of that together, I think we're in for quite a storm. And the methodology that helped hedge fund managers be short for 1987, according to the Market Wizards book and other sources that I have in the industry, was Elliott wave. I know I traded through the 2007, 8, and 9 credit crisis on the hedge fund that I used to trade for using Elliott, and we've been just riding this wave on the top side here, and I think we're in for another bout of volatility, and there's no better methodology to figure out context as to how long it'll last, how deep it'll go, how to trade it like Elliott. So it's a really timely webinar. It's going to be Thursday night. It's going to be at 8 p.m., October 19th. Here is the link. If you like, you can just, if you don't have this link, you can just go to www.tradinganalysis.com/storm, STORM. Okay, and that will take you to the sign up link. Okay, so be sure to sign up here. You might be able to see the link below the video. It's going to be pretty wild. I think it's a fun webinar. I had a really nice interview with kind of the modern day ambassador of Elliott, who is Bob Prechter, who runs Elliott Wave International. I'll be releasing some clips from that live interview that we did. I went to his office in Gainesville, Georgia, and we had a good conversation. So it'll be a fun event. All right, look forward to seeing you there, guys. And buckle up. It's going to get interesting. See you guys.